Alright guys, so today I'm using the Maxace Banshee with G10 scales, and I haven't flipped a knife in over 12 months. Let's see if I remember. And this is like walking the dog through the woods without the dog. If you want to get good at flipping, you just constantly flip and walk, and you'll get really good. So the funny thing is I have multiple YouTube channels, and I got a email from YouTube, and they're like, hey, you haven't posted a knife video in 12 months. We're gonna demonetize your channel if you don't post a video in 30 days. I'm like, what? I thought that was absolutely ridiculous. So now for every single channel that I have on YouTube, I actually have 6 of them monetized. They want me to post a video every 6 months. So that's 12 videos a year of what? Just nonsense? They're forcing me to make videos. You know, I thought, I could, take some time, plan it out, do videos on channels as I see fit. But no, YouTube wants a video, so this is my knife video for the year. All right, so I remember pretty good, even after wait, it's hard to flip and look at the camera. I'm like, wait, the camera's got a delay. It's like it doesn't kind of line up with what I'm doing. So I haven't really figured out many other moves besides just the few that I know, which is kind of just the basic stuff, I guess you'd say. Boy, it's been a while. I still kind of remember it pretty good. Not too bad. The thing about being out here in the middle of nowhere, up in the mountains of Colorado, at dusk, is this is kind of when the mountain lions and the bears and the wolves and coyotes and everything else come out. But my camera says only 10% battery remaining. There you have it. I had to wipe the dust off my camera. I guess I haven't charged it. I haven't done a video. I've been taking a break from YouTube. I thought, I better put out a video. Keep YouTube happy, even though I'm not making that much on this channel. I am monetized. I'm making a little bit. I think my CPM is just really low. So this is actually my property up here in the middle of nowhere. We have 6 acres. Here's my junk pile, or put a bunch of steel scrap in there, and then every time I have a welding project, I kind of raid the junk pile way back here in the back end of the property. But yeah, the snow just finally melted up here in the mountains, so not too bad. Spring's coming. We just had a snowstorm. The last 3 days we got about 7 inches of snow, and then today it was like 60 degrees and it all melted. And tomorrow it's supposed to be in the 60s too, so it's one of those weird kind of times of the year when sometimes you could get snow and sometimes you'll get warm weather. You'll be out here, you'll be out here getting a tan, and then the next day it'll be snow and you'll be out here all bundled up in your winter gear. But yeah, I need to learn a few more moves on this crazy knife. And boy, my wrists are out of practice. I used to be able to do this all night long, and I could definitely feel it in my wrists. Wow, just from that little bit. All right, so there you have it. That is my video. Walking the dog without the dog. Oh yeah, this is an awesome knife. So out of all the knives, this is definitely my favorite from all the ones that I bought and all the ones that I reviewed. I think it's just the weight is perfectly balanced. Has really good balance. It's really solid too. It's balanced. It's really solid, and it has a little spring to it, like almost like it's like rubberized or something. It's just so awesome to flip it. I put the dull blade on because I cut myself a few times on chicken. So there you have it. That is my video. All right, so yeah, with 6 channels, that's 12 videos a year. So I guess I'll be posting a little bit here and there as I go. Forced by YouTube to make some ridiculous videos. I guess in this case it's quantity over quality. Everyone wants an update on my knife channel? There you go. This is a really awesome knife. I'll actually leave a link below for this knife. I got it. I think I got it over on Blade HQ. They might sell them on Amazon. I'll see if I can find a link for you. All right, so that's pretty much it. Peace.